Former Pakistani Prime Minister Imran Khan says he's prepared to spend a night in a cell after a warrant for his arrest was issued on Monday. Take a listen to what he told CNN just moments ago.
All mentally prepared to spend the night in a cell, or I don't know how many nights. I'm getting my reading material. I hope I get a chance to read in the cell because normally I don't get that much of a time to read. I'm convinced they're going to arrest me because the number of police, you would think it is the biggest terrorist hiding in this house. So the determination is there. And, my only worry is I'm telling my workers that they must remain peaceful. The protest should be peaceful. My worry is that if this gets violent, then they would use that pretext of violence to get out of the elections.
Well, Khan's supporters have been clashing with police outside his residence, and protests have broken out in major cities right across Pakistan. The case relates to the alleged illegal purchase and sale of gifts given to the former prime minister by foreign dignitaries while he was in office. Khan rejects the accusations, calling the charges, quote, biased. We'll stay on top of that story to you.